No great achievement has ever been built alone. Behind every vision that comes to life, every community that thrives, and every future worth striving for, there stands a strong team. A team is more than just a group of individuals working toward a goal. It is a living network of trust, loyalty, accountability, and shared dreams. Maintaining a strong team means surrounding yourself with people you can rely on during both triumphs and trials. It means walking alongside individuals who not only share your goals, but actively contribute to building something greater than themselves. Below are 7 powerful reasons why it is so important to maintain a strong, trustworthy, and forward-thinking team. 1. Trust creates stability. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and in a team, it becomes the glue that holds everything together. When you can trust the people around you, you don't waste energy second-guessing their intentions, questioning their loyalty, or doubting their abilities. Instead, your focus shifts entirely toward progress and problem-solving. A team built on trust can navigate challenges more effectively because each member knows that the others will follow through on their word. This stability allows a group to move forward with confidence without the fear of betrayal or sabotage. Trust transforms a collection of individuals into a unified body, one that stands firm no matter how turbulent the environment becomes. 2. Shared strength multiplies results. One person, no matter how talented, can only accomplish so much. But when surrounded by a strong team, the strengths of each member multiply the collective results. Where one person's skills end, another's begin. A visionary may see the bigger picture, while another excels at handling the details, and yet another brings the energy to keep morale high. This shared strength creates synergy, a force greater than the sum of its parts. A team that works together amplifies each other's abilities, meaning goals are reached faster, solutions are more creative, and results are far more impactful than any single individual could achieve. 3. Accountability drives growth. A strong team keeps each member accountable, not through fear or control, but through shared commitment. When you know others are relying on you, you naturally rise to meet the standard. Accountability doesn't just prevent failure, it nurtures personal and professional growth. It challenges you to step out of comfort zones, push through resistance, and continuously improve. In a trustworthy team, accountability becomes a positive force where everyone pushes each other to become the best version of themselves. Without accountability, goals weaken and standards slip. But within a strong team, accountability drives growth toward a brighter future. 4. Support through adversity. The future is unpredictable, and adversity is inevitable. The strength of a team shows most clearly in times of hardship. A trustworthy group ensures that no one carries the weight of difficulty alone. When one person stumbles, the others are there to lift them up. When the pressure becomes overwhelming, others step in to share the load. This shared resilience not only helps individuals endure challenges, but also strengthens the bond of the entire team. Adversity that could break someone alone becomes a source of unity and deeper trust when faced together. With a strong team, obstacles are not the end of the journey. They are stepping stones toward greater strength. 5. Diverse perspectives spark innovation. When you surround yourself with trustworthy people who share the same values but bring different perspectives, creativity flourishes. A strong team is rarely made of identical minds. It thrives on diversity of thought, background, and experience. Each person sees challenges and opportunities from a unique angle, which prevents stagnation and sparks innovation. A team that respects and listens to these perspectives avoids the trap of one-dimensional thinking. Instead, they generate solutions that are richer, more adaptable, and more effective. By valuing diverse contributions, a team builds not just for the present moment, but for a future that embraces growth and transformation. 6. Unity builds endurance. Success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Many people burn out when working alone, but a strong team creates endurance. Unity provides the motivation to keep moving forward when the journey gets long and exhausting. Celebrating victories together fuels morale, while sharing burdens prevents exhaustion from overwhelming any single individual. In this way, endurance becomes not just physical or mental, but emotional and spiritual. The presence of a dependable team ensures that the fire stays alive, that energy is renewed, and that the pursuit of the greater future never fades, no matter how long the road ahead may be. 7. A shared vision creates legacy. A strong team isn't just about the present, it's about building something that outlives the moment. When people unite under a shared vision, they are not just working for personal gain, but contributing to a collective legacy. Each individual sees their role not as isolated, but as part of something larger, something worth carrying into the future. A shared vision creates alignment, passion, and purpose. It transforms daily effort into meaningful contribution. This sense of building toward a legacy ensures that the work done together leaves a lasting impact, one that others can benefit from long after the team's immediate goals have been reached. In the end, the strength of a team determines the strength of the future it builds. Trust, accountability, diversity, unity, and vision all come together to form a foundation that cannot be shaken. No one can walk the path of growth and progress alone for long. To truly create something greater than yourself, you need people you can trust, people who push you to grow, people who celebrate your wins and endure your struggles alongside you. Maintaining a strong team is not optional. It is essential for building a future that is not only successful, but meaningful, lasting, and shared.